So 3 tips for the performance management F5 paper of ACCA. Tip number 1, know the easy topics, know the difficult topics. In PM, the easy topics are topics such as limiting factors, profit volume analysis. Ensure that you genuinely spend time and are ready to score the most. These are called the low-hanging fruit topics of PM. Ensure you get all the marks plausible in the exam for these easy topics. I know the difficult ones. In PM, the difficult ones are more of the costing topics as well as the variances. If you're not strong with it, be prepared. It will come in the exam for sure. So do spend time in strengthening your topics over there. Tip number 2. Do not neglect the theoretical chapters and topics. For example, topics such as balanced scorecard are there is much more to read, much more to understand, and if questioned, much more to explain in balanced scorecard than, let's say, any of the other papers, any of the other topics, which have more of numbers, more of number crunching, more of calculation. By default, when it comes to preparing for the exams, our students naturally gravitate towards the number crunching topics and questions, and they practice a lot over there, and they can score well also of that in the exam. However, that does not mean that the PM paper will only give you questions relating to number crunching. Section C, which is the subjective topic, can have 20 marks of a question with 0 numbers in it. You can have a full 20-mark theoretical question where you'll have to explain by typing out all you know. So practicing there, your time management, your vocabulary, and your clarity of thought, all of this will come into picture in this. Do not ignore that. And tip number 3, guys, practice commentary. So what do I mean by this? A lot of questions are designed where you have to calculate a lot of things and then support your calculations with explanations. Do not parrot whatever you've calculated and just repeat it in the form of words. 0 marks are rewarded for that. However, if you add some additional point, some unique insight, some way of explaining why something happened in the calculation, that's where the examiner will reward you for your marks. So guys, those were our 3 quick tips for performance management. I hope you liked it. If we've missed anything, please ask us in the comment section. And this is a specific subject exam tips video. If you'd like to know more about other tips, other tricks which you can use for all papers, we have 2 videos which you'd like to see, which are showing up on the screen right now. So guys, wait. Before you leave, I'm going to leave you all with the same old. Do you know what the difference between you and a successful version of you is? The successful version of you would not miss out on subscribing to this channel today.